Guys, welcome back to the garage. Next project is 2015 Mustang GT. This car belongs to my son. The emergency brake is not working and we need to fix that because it's a standard shift, 5-6 speed I think it is, and you kind of want an emergency brake so it doesn't roll away on you. It's a pretty nice car. It's got Brembo brakes, massive rotors. It's got aftermarket wheels, American muscle wheels, pretty big tires in the front. Not really sure what size, not important. Same as in the rear, and this is a really nice car. It's got Bowler exhaust, and let's see what else we got here. It's got nice red leather interior, and this is kind of a special option interior. It's not common with these cars. And my son's got a fancy shifter in it and all that. Anyway, pretty nice car. Let's do a cold start so you guys can hear this exhaust. Alright guys, let's get underneath the car here and see what the situation is with this emergency brake. So it's right here, and as you can see, cable's broken. Broke right off. So we are going to have to get a new cable. Alright, we're gonna have to take the cable out, and I think that the first thing we gotta do is we gotta pop that out of there and then take it off the rear caliper. And it looks like it's snaked in there pretty good, so we'll have to figure out how we're gonna get that out of there. Shouldn't be that big a deal. Alright, I got that out. I tried to video it, but there's just no room with the I just can't get in there with the camera. Plus work. There's really not a lot of room. So I got the piece out of that. I unhooked this from that. You just pinch these two things right here and it pops right out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, and we got a fastener here and here, and then there's another one right there. And so I'm going to take all those out right now, and then we're going to go and we're going to work on the caliper side. Those are all unhooked, as you can see. I need to take out that one there, and then that one there, and then just unhook it from there. Another pinch clamp there, and it just loops onto that. So relatively easy, not too difficult to do. Alright, that's out. Now I just gotta take that off of there and pinch clamp that, and we'll pull it out. We'll put it on the floor. Again, difficult to work with no light. You can't see anyways. I'll come back when I get it out. Alright guys, the cable's out. Here it is. So that's what it looks like on this end, and that just loops over a lever on the caliper. And then all these clips, I'm pretty sure will come on the new brake line. And that's the end that's broken. And there's the piece that came off. So I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be a dealer only item because the car is so new. So today's Saturday, gonna have to wait till Monday. And we're gonna have to call and see if they have it. If they have it, if not, we'll order it. All right, guys, just swung by the dealership. Got the cable. There it is. Comes with all the new brackets on it and everything. So let's throw it in. 80 bucks. Genuine Ford part. It's in. Now, let's snap that other side in. Right here. There we go. Just want to turn that so it's locked in better. Get it at least sideways. There we go. Alright, so now we have to bring this down and around. And it's got to go underneath the tank strap. Alright, this goes onto there. Always something. Clips in like that. And then this one goes here. I'm going to put these on now. I can't do both. Hold the camera and do that. And then this guy here mounts right there, and then we'll go up top and hook up the rest. While the cable's somewhat loose, I'm gonna hook it on here, and then I'm gonna see if I can pull it back far enough. I don't know if I would be able to, but we're not going to be able to. All right, what I do is I went underneath there and I underneath the car and I backed the adjuster all the way off. So hopefully I got enough slack in here to get this in, and I do. If you guys can see that. Now I want to snap it in. There we go. Now we're good. Now we can finish off up here. All right, now we're gonna snap the anti-lock back in. That's back in place. Now we're gonna mount this one. All right, now we're gonna go underneath, and we're gonna get this guy right here. All right, guys, it's all in. Well, that's connected. I pulled the emergency brake. Emergency brake works fine. I had to do a little bit of adjustment. I had it too tight and a little bit of drag on the wheel. But it's just one nut back there on that T-bar for the dual brake cables. You bring it out, it loosens the cables, and you don't want to have any drag on the e-brake. So that's all set. I'm going to throw the wheel on and pull it out.